Evening, everybody. Happy Friday. Welcome back to the garage. Working on the old Blue Willys again, this fuel tank project. If you've been following along, we're building a under 4 fuel tank for this custom 1950 CJ3A that I've been building. So it is an under the floor unit, approximately 20 gallons, made out of 18 gauge stainless steel. This is where we're at now. So if you followed along on the last part, we did all the bending on this piece on the Eastwood mag brake based on a pattern that we made off this foam 3D model, buck if you will. And then we had some templates and measuring and stuff, and so we got to here. So yesterday we bent all this up rough shaped, and today we fitted it all and did all the corner welding and everything, or corner tacking I should say, just to get it to its preliminary shape. I think everything turned out pretty good. There is one little thing I don't like. It's fixable, but this gap here, no matter how I played with it, just would not close up. It looks worse than it is. It's only about 1/16 to there, and then this little section here just has a little bit of gap. So I'll probably go in and fill that with a pass on the back side, grind it out, and then a pass on the front side to get full thickness and some extra reinforcement in there. But other than that, a lot of these seams turned out very, very nice for how complex the building was, or bending was, and the building of this whole tank, I guess, if you will. So I had a couple little tricks mocked up here to show you. One of them here, if I can get this thing to turn around and stay like I want it. So you can see here, we just took a small piece of sheet metal that looks like this, just a little drop, and then basically you're able to bend it to whatever the angle of the corner is, and then use it to, if I'd sat down, if that would help. Yeah, so basically you're able to bend it and then clamp it in this corner to help hold everything. This material is very springy, so you're not going to get it perfect to hold itself there. And so basically these little clamps really help the overall process to hold the seam and be able to do the final little bit of dolly work on the corner to get to help lock the seam together as you tack weld it. I shoot for tacks that are about 1 inch apart. That's usually pretty good. So that's one trick there. And then there's another version of that is basically just a cheater way to do a perfect 90. And basically you just use a small drop section of light gauge. This is, I think, 1/8 or 3/16. What would that be? 1.5 inch angle, and just slice off a little section. And that gives you a really good 90-degree sheet metal clamp. And you can see one of those here mocked up right here on the forward section where we did these 90 corners. So yeah, everything's coming together pretty good. I got to flip it over and work through this one. I may wait to do this one until I get this other piece to fit in that goes all over in here. That's the next thing we have to do, is make that pattern and bend that up. Do a little trimming. Got to take this out still. But other than that, that pretty much wraps up today. Good Friday to see the tank coming together. I am using a new microphone. I had a couple people, mainly my buddy Jonathan, who is my audio visual reference guy. He says the audio is a little quiet, so I picked up another external directional microphone. So let me know if this volume is more normal from video to video, and most importantly, video to ad. So in the future, hopefully, if this channel gets monetized, there'll be ads interjecting. And one of my pet peeves is when the audio of the video is low and then the ad is really loud, and then the audio in the video is low. So let me know if this sounds a little bit better. Thanks for following along. Again, happy Friday. Have a good weekend. Probably won't be posting another video on this project till Monday, but I like these daily updates. They keep me motivated and interacting with you guys. If you like to follow along, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Ring the, I think the bell's on this side. I don't know. There's a bell, and if you get it, then you get notified when I post a video. And then most importantly, if you have any questions, please comment below. I try to answer every question, and those comments really seem to help make the video more active in the YouTube algorithm, if you will. So again, thanks for following along. We'll talk to you later. Bye.